Happy Friday, everyone. Let's get into it because SpaceX just pulled off the largest IPO in history. SpaceX priced at $135 per share, raising $75 billion through the sale of over 555 million shares, hitting a $1.77 trillion valuation with projections exceeding $2 trillion and retail orders surpassing $100 billion. That is the most anticipated market debut of our lifetime, and Elon Musk is now firmly on track to become the world's first trillionaire. The United States officially became the world's largest oil producer and exporter, surpassing Saudi Arabia, which is a geopolitical shift that changes the energy landscape for decades. $1.15 trillion was added to the stock market in a single day, with the S&P rallying 1.75%. But the inflation picture keeps deteriorating, with PPI rising to 6.5%, beating expectations. And for the first time since 2023, US prices are now rising faster than wages. The ECB and Denmark each hiked rates by 25 basis points for the first time since 2023, showing that rising global inflation is forcing central banks back into tightening mode. BlackRock filed an 8A form for its Bitcoin Premium Income ETF, which typically signals a launch within about 1 week. Bitcoin now has an 81% chance of pumping above 65,000 this month on Polymarket, and Senator Lummis called the Strategic Bitcoin Reserve a generational upside opportunity. The CFTC chair said the Clarity Act will future-proof Bitcoin by setting clear rules and ending regulation by enforcement. Hungary plans to decriminalize Bitcoin and crypto trading, and Citigroup plans to launch tokenized securities of private companies. Michael Saylor stated that confidence in Ethereum has collapsed amid intense competition from other chains and Layer 2s. Bitcoin and gold are the two worst-performing major assets year-to-date, while emerging markets, small caps, and value stocks have outperformed. In altcoin news, the SpaceX pre-IPO perpetual on Hyperliquid surpassed $150 million in open interest. Kalshi launched Hype Perpetuals. Coinbase introduced Coinbase for agents, enabling AI to autonomously trade. And X added big charts for crypto and stock tickers directly on the timeline. That's your Friday recap. The largest IPO in history, combined with America becoming the top oil producer while inflation forces global rate hikes. Make sure to follow, and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow.